Cure discouragement. Wait on the Lord, be of good courage. Psalm chapter 27 verse 14. Discouragement is nothing new. Many of the great Bible characters became discouraged. Moses in the Sinai desert, Elijah when he heard Jezebel was searching for him to take his life, and David when his son Absalom rebelled against him. It is as old as the history of man. There is often a cause for discouragement. It comes many times when we don't get our way, when things don't work out the way we want them to. Discouragement is the opposite of faith. It is Satan's device to thwart the work of God in your life. Discouragement blinds our eyes to the mercy of God and makes us perceive only the unfavorable circumstances. I have never met anyone who spent time in daily prayer, and in the study of the Word of God, and was strong in faith, who was ever discouraged for very long. Prayer for the day. Lord, when I am discouraged, take away the blindness of my wavering faith. You are with me always. Forgive my ungrateful heart.